A population distribution has a mean 50 and standard deviation 20. So the symbols here, mu equals 50, that's the population mean, and the population standard deviation is sigma equals 20. Right, that should be 20 there. For a random sample of size 100, so the sample size n equals 100, and the sampling and sample stuff, right? The sample mean has what? What's the sample mean? Well, the sample mean will be equal to the population mean. Overall, you'd expect the mean of the sample. Anyway, yeah, it's a bit difficult to explain, but anyway, here's the sample mean, the mean of the sample means, if you like, over the long run or something like that. That's going to be equal to 50 as well. Now, the standard deviation will depend on the sample size, the standard deviation of the sample. So that's going to be something, the formula is something like this, a standard deviation of the sample, or you could write it as sigma x bar. So that's a standard deviation of the sample mean. Well, that's going to be sigma divided by root n. So that's 20 divided by root 100. Bang that into the calculator, or 20 divided by 10, and you get 2. So in here we put 50, and down here we put 2. I think that's about it.